$14.99 Dodge Durango. What size motor? 5.2 liter. Got nice 26s on it. We did this about 2 years ago. This is the only Durango you'll see with side pipes. We put high flow cats and ran side pipes on it. All the way out the sides, right there. Come get you some. V8. We got one on one side. And here's the other side. There it is. He's about to drive off. We'll let you guys hear. One of his hangers broke. He brought it back. This was before we did the YouTube. So we fixed the hangers for him because we guarantee our work for a lifetime. So we'll let you guys hear him drive off in a minute. Dodge Durango. Dodge Durango with side pipes and 26s. Hey, put it in park and rev it. Let him hear what it sounds like. Perfect, thank you.